Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the square for the both sides. So we have sine s minus e to the power of s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of this one. So we have to u du equal to cosine s minus e to the power of s ds. But this one is about e to the power of s minus cosine s. So in this situation, we need to put the negative for the both sides. So about this one with the negative, we can change into e to the power of s minus cosine s. The square root we change for u. This one in here we change for negative to u du. U divided by u, so we just have only negative number 2. The integration of du, we have u. About u, that's about this one. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have ds over number 2 with the square root of s. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we multiply both sides by number 2. So the square root of s we change for u. ds over the square root of s we change for 2 du. The integration of number 4 we have for u. The integration of e to the power of u, we keep about e to the power of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about the square root of s. Next, about the last one, we need to expand. So we have s minus number 2 plus 1 over s. Because the square root of s with the power 2, we have s. Square root of s multiplied by this one, we have number 1. That's why we have number 2 in here. 1 over the square root of s with the power 2, we have 1 over s. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of s, we have s squared over 2. Number 2 is about 2s. And the last one is about ln of the absolute value of s. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.